I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rich in the Fishing Clash. And guys, this is using a promo code, so everyone who watches my video gets a promo code. It's not like one guy watches a video gets a promo code, no one else can use it. So this will give you unlimited resources in the Fishing Clash, guys, and it is super cool. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. This works on iPhone, it works on Android phone, so it don't matter what you got. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Alright guys, so as you can see in the Fishing Clash, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it, so let's get straight into the video. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this site. So once you're here, find the Fishing Clash, press on it, press this pink button. This will start generating your promo code. Now bear in mind, it's going to ask for your email address, so make sure you put that in. But obviously they're going to send you the promo code to your email. But I already entered my email, I think, for this to show you guys. So anyway, let's wait for it to load. So I'm just going to give it a second. So anyway, once it's done, it's going to say activating reward. And then it will say reward activated. And so anyway, once you reach the end, you have to fill out all your information, which is fairly easy. They're not going to call you, so it's fine to put your phone number. So anyway, then just go ahead and press continue, and you have to do the survey probably, which is fairly easy. So let me just show you guys how to do this. I'm not sure the survey will come up, so it looks like I bypassed it. Press I agree and continue, and we're done. So yeah, I'll see you later. But basically, I mean, if you go onto the App Store and you type in Fishing Clash, you can see it is a very expensive game. So if we go to the in-app purchases, look at that. So yeah, if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to watch my video. You don't have to download anything, you don't gotta do any mods, none of that stuff, guys. So this is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later. Be subscribed to the channel because this is so crazy and it's just epic. This actually works. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, I mean, that's the Fishing Clash magic, I guess. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool and it totally works. So yeah, I mean, if you're poor or something, like it's not like you have to stay poor in the Fishing Clash. Like, as you can see, I'm super rich. So I'm gonna see you later, and peace out.